In this lesson, I'm going to teach you everything about comments and notes in Excel. But first, let's understand the difference and the change in nomenclature between older versions of Excel and Office 365. So first of all, in older versions of Excel, you had something called comment. In Office 365, this is now called note. So what is a note or what is a comment? If you go here, you hover your mouse around those red cells, you can see that I have a box here. This is called comment in the old Excel and note in the new one. And I know it's a bit confusing, but you'll get the hang of it. Now there is something called comment in the new version of Excel. Those are the purple cells that you can see here. If I hover around it, I can see my comment. And the difference is that here you can see a history of who has written what. So for example, if I write something here and then I press on this button, you can see that whatever I said will be recorded and you'll have a history of the comment. So let's start first and let's understand how to add a note and how to add a comment. So I'm going to select a cell, I'm going to right click and I can say new note, and here I can write anything I want and this will be a note. Then I'm going to select another cell, I can do the same, I can do new comment, and then I can type something, press on the button, and this is a new comment. And you can see that the colors of the cells will change. The other ways to do this are the following. The first one is to go to review, and under review, here you have new comment, so you can add a comment, or if you go to note, you have new note, so you can add a note. Other than that, to add a note, you have a shortcut, which is Shift and then F2, and you can add one. To see all your notes or comments, you can go to review and then you can say show comments, and then you can see all the comments here. So you can see which cell it is. So this is B2. So if I click on it, B2 is selected. If I click on this one, which is B5, B5 will be selected, and I can update it from here. For notes, you can go here and you can say show all notes. If you show all notes, you can see that they are all here. You can move them around and so on. And of course, you can edit them. We're going to go into this in a bit. If you want to hide them all, you can click on it again and they are all gone. Now, if you want to see one note, you can go here after selecting your cell and you can do show hide note. So you can see one of them, and then if you click on it again, it is gone. The next thing I want to show you is how to print your notes and comments. So here you have page layout. Under page layout, you have this arrow. You click on it, you go to sheet, and you have a couple of options here under comment and notes. Either you can have all of them at the end of the sheet, or you can have them as displayed, which means that if I show a note, it will appear in my print. So let's do each one of them and try them out. If I do at the end of the sheet and I do Control P, you can see that once I go down, I can see all my comments and notes at the end of the sheet. If I select the other option, which is as displayed, and we say OK, let's display something. So we go to, again, review, we go to note. Let's do show all notes. If you do Control P, you can see that they come all on the sheet. And this is different from what you had in the first option. If I want to copy a comment or a note, so first of all, let's just hide them. Let's say I want to copy this note. I can do Control C, then I can come to another cell. I go to Home, Paste, Paste Special, and then you will have comments and note. So you do this, you can see that the content of the cell is the same, but the note got copy pasted. I can do the same for the comment. I do Control C, I go to any cell, and then I do paste, paste special, comments and notes, and you can see that your comment is now copy pasted. If you want to update your note, what you could do is Shift and F2, and then you start typing. Once you are done, you can click anywhere on the Excel sheet. If you want to change the format of those notes, you can select it, then you go to review. You can do, for example, show note. You can right click on it, and then you can do format comment, and then here you have so many options. So for example, if I want to do colors and lines, I can change this to, for example, this color. I can have no line, and I can say okay, and you can see that I have changed it. I can even make it as an icon. So if I right click, format comment, you can go here, instead of color, you do fill effect, picture, select picture. If you have a picture on your computer, great. If you don't, you can search for a picture under Bing, for example. Let's say I like this computer picture. I can do insert. I say okay, okay. And you can see that I changed my comment to a computer. Now you can see that the text is not very well aligned, so I can fix this. I right click, format comment, and then I can do margins. Let's assume I do 0.25 everywhere. And I say okay. You can see that my text is fixed. Now you can even use icons as comments. So for example, if I have this icon and I just delete the text, basically my comment now is just an icon. So this is an overview of the main features of comments and notes. If you have other scenarios in mind, please do let me know in the comment section.